Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got an interesting one from China. This is Guilin fresh rice noodles, dry mixing vegetable brine flavor. First thing you can notice is there's somebody in a boat in a noodle bowl. I gotta say, I kind of like that. So what's the deal with this one? A lot of sachets and 1 to 1.5 minutes. It's quick because it's like a fresh noodle already. But we'll have to save some water out. There we go. That doesn't make much sense. See, they scored it to open it right here, but it would make more sense for them to do it on the other end, I think. I don't know. But we'll leave it be. It's all right. I'm not gonna subtract points for such a thing. There it goes. So, yeah, how are you today? I'm cooking noodles. What a shock, right? So the deal is, after you've done that boiling of said noodles, you need to reserve, is that 250? Yeah, you cook it. Fish out the rice noodles. I love how they say that. They don't say drain. They say fish them out. And then add 250 mils of boiled water and put everything together, and there you go. So I'm going to get a measuring accoutrement. Right here. We've got 23 seconds left. Perfect. This will be a quick one. 250, huh? Right there. I've got a big complaint. Wow, not doing as it should thus far. Here we go. Yeah, well, it's not done yet. Kind of a gloomy day outside. Woke up to the pitter-patter of rain on the outdoor area. Come on, separate. Come on, you're a fancy noodle. You can separate. There you go. There we go. 250 mils. Stayed up too late last night. Had some tasty food. Made gluten-free penne rigate with gluten-free penne rigate with gluten-free Alfredo sauce and gluten-free pineapple bacon sausages. It was nice. And enjoyed some vanilla porter. It's been ridiculous. It's like, God, what happened yesterday? Oh yeah. Well, nothing will come of it, I'm sure, but yeah. Texas. Big shooting. But, you know, gotta have your guns. I'm really irritated. It's time to leave the United States as soon as possible. Like, I don't want to get shot. There we go. Alright, let's drain this. Yeah, I could go on a long spiel about how guns and blah 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 guns. But I'm not a fan of guns, nor do I think anything that anybody wants to do about it will ever get done, because some people have to have guns. So, big poop. Big poop. So yeah, it's just stupid. What do we have here? Some vegetables that are pickled. Pickled cowpea? What is this? It smells just kind of like pickles. We've got fried soybean. Here, let's move this over here. Let's look at something interesting rather than think about the whole thing that happened in, what was that place called? Uvalde, Texas? That happened yesterday. Here's some fried soybean. Yeah, I don't know. The whole thing is just really jacked up and horrible and not going to change. These, I believe, are supposed to be peppers. Pickled peppers? Chopped chilies. That smells like pickles too. This is one that's called Special Oil. I think it might just be oil. Homemade brine. Oh, come on, guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are getting rowdy over there. Homemade brine. I don't know how homemade that is. Smells pretty good. Smells pickled as well. And then we have this one, which is completely unlabeled. I have no idea what we'll find in here. It's a lot of sachets. I think it's 6 in all. This looks like a little bit of vegetable. And then we tie that all together with the reserved 250 mils of liquid. And then we give it a hearty stir. And now, I'm glad to hear that, Miles. Now our mealing appears to be ready, complete, and good to go. Our Guilin vegetable brine mix noodle. So let's try the noodle. Huh? Broth looks rather nice. Interesting combination of textures. The fried soybean, I don't know. It's not thrilling me. Neighborhood is spelled Neighborhood. Some scallion. That looks nice. And for the first time, I ran it through the special slicer machine. A little bit of carrot. I don't know. Needed to do a separator for the carrot and the scallion though. That would have helped. Oh, and my little mountain fell over. It's only getting worse as it continues. But that's okay. I think that'll work. Yeah, I don't think we need much else. Now, if I can maneuver this, I've got other ingredients on the stove that I prepped earlier that are kind of in the way. But that's how things work sometimes. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one we got is that. Can you read that? No? Kimchi jansiguksu. Kimchi noodle soup kind of thing. So, we'll check that out tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.